This Wallace Real Estate property video is presented by Max Herrera. Looking for a brand new ranch home in beautiful Corryton, Tennessee that is ready today? This is it. Walk into this very open floor plan with large windows for natural light and a spectacular kitchen with all stainless steel appliances, island, and eat-in area. The primary bedroom is spacious and leads to an oversized primary bathroom with a beautiful shower. The second and third bedrooms have great closet space and share a full bathroom. Enjoy the East Tennessee weather with a sliding screen door that opens up to a covered patio overlooking the backyard. This home also features a 2-car garage, recently sodded yard and upgraded smart keypad locks and thermostats. Conveniently located near Tazewell Pike, grocery stores, and restaurants, and only a short 20-minute drive to Knoxville. Ask list agent about the transferrable builder's warranty. For more